Hi, my name is Cameron and I'm 6 years old, and today we're going to be playing with slime. So let's get started. So I'm going to open the slime first. So first let's play with the pink slime. I'm going to take the slime out and we are going to play with it. This is like a butter slime because it's very voluminous. And it's flat, and this is like a hot pink, and this is like a kind of greenish. Yeah, and this one's really cool because this one is actually like a flavored one. It's not very sticky, and that's good. And it actually smells like kind of yucky, but that's okay because it's lime. Yeah. So one of the pieces fell. Need to grab it. Yeah, so we're going to play with the slime. I can make a fingerprint without it. Let's see if I can make a heart. No, I can't, but what if I flatten it? Flat it out. Make a heart. I can't make a heart, but it's okay if you can't make a heart because everybody tries their best. So I think we should play with this one next, and then after we can play with both of them, and that'll be the fun part when we play with both of them. Same time. So I'm going to open it. This was like kind of like it was kind of out, and if it was out then it kind of like did that, and it kind of matched the top. Yeah, so this is a little piece of it. Let's take the whole thing out. Okay, there we go. So I got these. I forgot where I got these, but these, they're really cool because it's really like energetic, and I really like that it's really like it can stretch. Look at this whole thing stretch. It doesn't really stretch that good, but it's okay because slime is their own self. So yeah, and when it comes to slime, it's gonna be slime. So let's get started on playing with both of them. I'm gonna get all the slime this time. I'm gonna try to find all the slime that I can. Okay, so and now we're gonna play with both of them at the same time. This is really cool. This one has a little pink, but that's okay because sometimes slimes get colors mixed up sometimes on accident. And it's okay because everybody makes mistakes. Yeah, so this is the fun part. So I'm going to circle this. It's really cool because look, the eyeball. So I'm gonna make an eyeball actually. So now I need to make like a little insert. Actually, I'm gonna do it with the other color. Yeah, that's gonna be cool. So let's do it with the other color. Okay, so now I'm going to roll it like this. Roll it. So now, I think I need to roll a little more. This is probably good enough, but I'm gonna roll it like just a little more. Nope. Whittle more, whittle. Okay. Now we are going to stick these together. And ta-da! It made an eyeball. So I'm going to show you guys the eyeball. Look at the eyeball. This is the eyeball. So I'm going to keep the eyeball over here. Actually, I'm going to keep it in the middle. Now let's make a bowl. Let's make a bowl. Let's make a bowl. So I'm just going to grab some slime. Can't get all the slime. Okay, so that's good enough. No, I need more slime. Let me just grab a whole piece. Actually, let's grab the whole piece. Okay, so I'm just grabbing the whole piece for this one. So I need to roll it into a ball. Ah, why does the slime keep on falling? It's so weird. So you need a roly. Okay, this one's done with the roly. Now to make this a ball. It's now 2 rollies. Like one down there. Got ice. Okay, so that's really cool. So now we're going to make a thimble inside. Show you guys, just like that. And I'm gonna make it on the other side too. And then I'm going to do this. We're going to pinch, slightly pinch the bottom, pinch everywhere, pinch, and make it into a little ball. I actually learned this at art. My art teacher, Mr. Leafy, she taught me this in school at art. Look, it's a little clay thing. It's kind of like clay. But look, if you make it like this, it's like a really small ball. So, yeah. So I need to pin. So let's pin. Okay, so we're done pinching, and I made my balls. Okay, I'm gonna put one of these in one of them. Shh. Guys, close your eyes. Okay, which one do you think the ball is in? This one? This one? No, it's in this one. Which one do you think the ball? Which one? Which one do you think the ball is in? This one? It was this one. What? Okay, now I want to break this. So I'm going to break the ball. Let's break everything. Wow, 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 wow. Jam. Okay, so now we are going, look at this. It's crazy. The slime's a little sticky, and that's okay because slime has to be the stuff. Yeah. So now we are going to put these slimes. Oh no, that's not too good. Okay, actually we're going to play with this blue slime. So satisfying. Look at this, guys. Let's do it on the other side. So, now we're going to put the slimes away. So, Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Click that subscribe button, turn notification, and give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video.